Why your day feels messy. Do you ever feel like your day is a mess? You wake up, you feel tired. You look at your phone for an hour. Then you panic because you have so much to do. You try to study, but your brain feels like a full bin. Nothing fits inside. Most people think they are lazy, but you are not lazy. You just don't have a simple plan. In this video, I will give you a clean plan. It's not hard, it's not boring. It's just simple steps to help you feel good. Stick with me, and let's fix your day together. Part 1. The wake-up trick. Most people wake up and start fighting the day. The alarm rings. They get angry. They check social media immediately. Imagine waking up and someone immediately starts shouting at you. That is what social media does to your brain. It's too much noise too early. Instead, try the water and window rule. First, drink a big glass of water. Your body is like a plant. It needs water to stand up. Second, open your window. Let the sun hit your face. This tells your brain, hey, the day has started. Don't touch your phone for the first 20 minutes. Just breathe. Drink your water. Feel the sun. This makes you the boss of your morning. Part 2. The big rock rule. Imagine you have a jar. You have big rocks and small sand. If you put the sand in first, the rocks won't fit. If you put the big rocks in first, the sand fills the gaps. Your big rock is your hardest task. Maybe it's math. Maybe it's a difficult book. Do your big rock first thing in the morning. Why? Because your brain is fresh. If you wait until 4 p.m., you will be too tired. Use a timer. Set it for 25 minutes. Work only on that one thing. Then take a 5-minute break to walk around. This is called the Pomodoro method. It's like taking small bites of a big meal. It makes the hard work feel easy. Part 3. Eating for energy. Have you ever eaten a big burger and felt like sleeping? That is a food crash. Your body is busy digesting the heavy food. It steals energy from your brain. If you want to be sharp, keep your lunch light. Think of an apple, some eggs, or a salad. And don't forget to walk. Even a 10-minute walk after eating is like charging your battery. Fresh air is the best medicine for a tired mind. If you feel a slump at 3 p.m., don't reach for sugar. Reach for a glass of water and move your legs. You will feel the difference instantly. Part 4. The off switch. You cannot work all the time. A car cannot drive forever without stopping for petrol. You need an off switch. Pick a time, like 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. At this time, student you goes to sleep. Human you wakes up. Talk to your family. Play with your pet. Listen to music. Do something you love. This is not wasted time. This is recharging time. If you don't rest, you will burn out. And a burnt-out brain cannot learn anything. Part 5. The night before secret. Now, let's talk about a secret. A great day doesn't start in the morning. It starts the night before. Think of a professional runner. They don't wake up and look for their shoes. They put their shoes by the door at night. You should do the same for your brain. Spend 5 minutes before bed doing a brain dump. Write down the one big rock you will do tomorrow. Just one. When you write it down, your brain stops worrying about it. You can sleep better. Lay out your clothes. Fill your water bottle. When you wake up, you don't have to make choices. You just have to do. Making choices takes energy. Save that energy for your big rock. By preparing at night, you win the morning before it even begins. Conclusion. One step at a time. Success is not a big jump. It is many small steps. Don't try to be perfect tomorrow. Just try to be 1% better. Maybe tomorrow, you just drink water and don't check your phone. That is a win. Be kind to yourself. You are doing great just by wanting to improve. If you liked these simple tips, subscribe for more. It's time for future. Let me know in the comments. What time do you usually wake up? I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.